Your new LG 4-door French door refrigerator has a separate compartment in between the refrigerator and freezer known as the custom chill drawer. Most traditional refrigerators have two compartments, the refrigerator and the freezer. The custom chill drawer has its own temperature environment that can be adjusted using the custom chill drawer control panel. Recommended temperatures for each category are shown: 29 degrees for meat and seafood, 33 degrees for cold drinks, 37 degrees for deli snacks, and 42 degrees for chilled wine. Press down on the Select Lock button to choose which category that best suits your food temperature needs. To lock the temperature selected, press and hold down the Select Lock button for 3 seconds. The lock icon will flash a few times, turn solid, and produce a tone indicating that it is locked. To undo this, simply do the opposite until the lock indicator light turns off. The custom chill drawer has a sliding divider to help organize your food storage needs. Just gently slide the divider using either hand to position each slider. On each side of the bin is a guide rail. These help you determine how tall you should stack your food items. Do not stack items above the guide rails as recommended. This may cause food items and the drawer to get stuck and can cause possible damage to the drawer and food items. To clean the custom chill drawer bin, fully extend the drawer out, grab each end of the bin with both hands and lift up and out. With a sponge or soft cloth, use soap and water to clean the bin thoroughly. Make sure the bin is completely dry before reinstalling it back into place. Your custom chill drawer will also beep if the drawer is not completely closed. This concludes our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.